What's up? Welcome back to the channel. You're gonna have to bear with me. I have a heater going because it is currently about 51 degrees in here. If you didn't catch my last video, I went over the proper way to connect wires together, whether it's inside a vehicle or outside a vehicle. So in this video, we are going to be redoing all the connections on my motorcycle because I just kind of twisted them together and grabbed some electrical tape. So without further ado, let's go. All right, we got the right side hand controls all reconnected. Solder heat shrink butt connectors. Now it's time to do this one. Alright, so the left side hand controls are all reconnected. As well as the headlight wires that run up to here. Next thing on our list of things to do on the motorcycle is to put plugs so we can easily take apart the wire harness and work on it if we have to. So if you tune in until the next video, that's what we're going to be doing. Alright, peace.